In the face of evolving global challenges, the United States is paving the way for a stronger, more self-reliant future. Central to this effort is the Build America, Buy America Act, or BABAA, a transformative policy designed to bolster domestic manufacturing, create jobs, and reinforce supply chains. But what does this mean for you, as a project manager, contractor, or engineer? Signed into law in November 2021 as part of the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, BABAA ensures that taxpayer-funded projects prioritize the use of American-made materials. This act is not just a policy, it's a commitment to revitalizing American industry and securing our nation's infrastructure. Here's how it works. BABAA applies to all federally funded infrastructure projects and requires strict adherence to 3 key criteria. 1. Iron and steel. All iron and steel used in construction must be melted and manufactured in the United States. 2. Manufactured products. These must consist of over 55% American-made components. 3. Construction materials. From glass and drywall to concrete and lumber, all must undergo every stage of manufacturing in the U.S. From roads and bridges to renewable energy systems and water infrastructure, BABAA covers a wide array of projects. And with the U.S. Department of Agriculture's rural development funding tied to these regulations, the stakes for compliance couldn't be higher. So, what do you need to ensure compliance? BABAA compliance requires a clear trail of documentation. Contractors and suppliers must provide detailed certifications verifying that materials meet BABAA standards. These records are crucial not just for audits but for building trust with funding agencies and stakeholders. But what happens if you face challenges in sourcing BABAA-compliant materials? That's where waivers come in. The USDA offers limited, situation-specific waivers to keep projects on schedule while addressing supply chain constraints. These waivers, however, are granted sparingly and must demonstrate genuine efforts to prioritize domestic procurement. Navigating these complexities requires expertise, and that's where Demand Products comes in. At Demand Products, we are more than just a supplier. We are your strategic partner in ensuring your project meets BABAA compliance seamlessly. From sourcing 100% American-made materials to offering compliance documentation and consulting, we take the guesswork out of your procurement process. The Build America, Buy America Act isn't just about compliance, it's about creating a ripple effect of growth. By prioritizing domestic production, BABAA strengthens local economies, fosters innovation, and generates high-paying jobs across the country. Consider this, for every dollar spent on American-made materials, it generates $2.40 in economic activity. This multiplier effect is critical in driving long-term economic resilience, but the impact doesn't stop there. BABAA is catalyzing a surge in demand for domestic manufacturing capacity. Industries are innovating to meet these requirements, investing in technology, and expanding production lines. One sector poised for transformative growth is renewable energy. As the U.S. transitions to cleaner energy sources, BABAA ensures that these advancements are built on a foundation of American ingenuity. From solar panels to wind turbines, the materials powering our green future will increasingly be sourced and manufactured domestically. Of course, meeting BABAA's requirements isn't without challenges. Supply chain constraints, fluctuating material costs, and documentation complexities are hurdles that contractors and suppliers must navigate. That's why partnering with a trusted advisor like Demand Products can make all the difference. At its core, the Build America, Buy America Act is about building a more inclusive and self-reliant nation. It's about empowering local communities, reducing dependence on foreign supply chains, and setting a global standard for sustainable development. Visit www.demandproductsllc.com or contact Diwakar Raman at Draman@demandproductsllc.com. Together, let's build the future of America, one project at a time. Choose Demand Products for your BABAA compliant solutions and experience the difference that true partnership makes. The Build America, Buy America Act isn't just a policy, it's a promise. A promise to invest in our nation's future, empower our workforce, and create a legacy of resilience and innovation. Let's rise to the challenge, together.